Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning how to write letters. Today, we are going to continue the same topic. Okay children, so let's start. So children, as you all know, we are continuing the same topic, informal letter writing. So today, I'll give you few questions and together we will solve. Because we are practicing informal letter, how to write. So children, let's start. I am going to write one question and after that you will write and we will write answer. Okay? Imagine you are Jyoti. You are Jyoti. Okay? Write a letter to your friend, congratulating winning the state level table tennis championship. When you are writing a letter, you must aware what is the topic. The topic is to write your letter that you are writing to your friend or congratulating to your friend about his or her achievement that he or she won that state level table tennis championship. So that is the question. And we are going to write a letter, informal letter. Because this letter, why this is informal? Because we are writing to our friend. That is why we call it informal. So now we are going to write informal letter on the basis of this question. For this, we have to remove date and I am going to write over here today's date 20 so because we need to write our address and after that we will write date. So children, first of all, our address 42 Kent, Varanasi. Okay. Now after that you will write date 28 January 2021. After that, what you will write? You will write the name of your friend. Suppose your friend name is Aarti and suppose the question is given that imagine that you are Jyoti. Okay, so you are writing this letter to your friend. Yani it means your friend name is Aarti. I am very happy. I am very happy. I am very happy to hear that you won you have mentioned, dear Aarti, the name of your friend, and after that I am very happy to hear that you won state level table tennis championship. Please accept my heartfelt congratulations on your achievement. Now here you have started this letter with an introduction, and after that we are moving to the next part. Being the hardworking, being the hardworking sportsman and I pray that one day you may represent the country, this much you just complete it, and after that you just write down I hope. Okay children, so first you complete this, and after that you will write few more sentences after that. I hope you continue to do well, convey my regards, convey my regards to your parents, do reply soon. Now here you are ending your letter, your lovingly, this way you can write this letter, children. So please very particular about that, this letter. Now children, here you can see, I am very happy to hear that you won a state level. You won the state level table tennis championship. Please accept my heartfelt congratulations on your achievement. Being the hard-working sportsman that you are, I am sure winning the championship at the national level will not be very difficult for you. Keep up the spirit, and I pray that one day you may represent the country in international games and win laurels. Now here, I hope you continue to do well in future. Also convey my regards to your parents. Do reply soon. So this way you can write this letter to your friend. Now children, after this we are moving to the next letter. You can take a screenshot, and we are moving to solve our next letter, that is the different one that you are moved to a new locality. These type of the question we are going to solve, children. So first of all, you just write it down. Now I am going to write the next question on the board, children. Okay, so now I am going to write one more question on the board. So you just write it down. Okay, children. So now here again I am writing, write a letter to your friend, requesting him or her to lend a digital camera. So to lend a digital camera during your holidays. During your holidays, children. So write it down, and after that we will solve this. Now we are going to start our letter. So first of all, we will write our name, our address. So and then Varanasi, and after You can write, Dear Anshu, you are well and making plans for the have given an introduction about your plan, that you are planning to go out or go for vacation, summer vacation in Kashmir and along with your parents. Now here you have informed your friend. Now children, we are moving to the next. On the morning of 15th May, after staying have mentioned about your duration. So how much time you are going to spend in Kashmir. So here you can see, I would be traveling to Kashmir along with my parents. We would be leaving on the morning of 15th May and after staying there for almost a fortnight. Okay children, now here you have mentioned about the stay. Now children, we are moving to next line, that is, I would be back by the end of the month. By the end of the month. Okay children? So here you have informed your friend about your stay and when you are returning back, that you have already mentioned in the letter. Now detailed description you have given. Now children, we are moving to the next line. Anshu, now you are coming to the main body. Okay children? Anshu, can you lend me your digital camera, your digital camera for the trip. For the trip. Now here you are asking the main question. So, can you give me your digital camera for the trip? Now question mark will be there, children. Now we are moving. Don't worry, because it's a long time span. So that is why you have to assure your friend about that, because this digital camera is so expensive. That is why you have to assure your friend about the safety and security of your digital camera. So that is why don't worry. You will write here, don't worry, I will keep it safe. I will keep it safe. Okay? I will keep it safe. If you can spare it, if you can spare it for a fortnight, please let me know. Please let me know, children. Now here you have mentioned all the things, all the requirement, whatever you want, you have written over here. Now children, after that, what you are going to write? That is last line, which is left. So here I am going to erase this, and then we will write subscription and the concluding part of the main body. Now children, I will take it from you on our way to the airport. Okay? To the airport, if it is convenient to you. If it is convenient to you. Okay? I am looking forward to hearing from you. I am looking forward. I am looking forward to hearing from you. To hearing from you. Okay, children? Now here you will write your affectionately, whatever your name is there, you can write. So children, here we have done this, and we have already gave our information, our demand, our requirement. Whatever we want that camera, digital camera, that I have already mentioned in that, and you requested about that digital camera. If Anshu will take interest, she will reply, but you have already requested in the letter. So this way you can write this form of the letter. Now children, we are moving to next type of letter. You can take a screenshot, and after that we are moving to next type of letter. Now children, I am going to write next question, that is also in the form of informal letter. So children, let's start. Write a letter to a classmate, who has been absent from school for a week and inform him or her about the important, okay, about the important things that happened during his absence. Okay, children. Now write this question. Write a letter to your classmate who has been absent from school for a week and inform him or her about the important things that happened in his absence, his or her. Now here you can write her also. If you want to write your friend, you can write her also. Okay, children. Now after that, first of all, what we will do? We will write our address. Then what we are going to write? Date, and then dear, whatever the name of your friend, you can write the name of your friend, children. So after that, now children, as we have practiced a lot for informal letters, so children, we will start here. So first of all, we will write our address. So you will write your own address, and after that Varanasi. Okay, children, and after that you will write dear, whatever you want. So dear Aarti or Anjali, whoever your friend, you can write. So children, one thing that is you always remember, whenever you are starting a letter, you should mention address, your address first, then after that date, and after that you will write the name of your friend to whom you are addressing. Now, body of the letter will be started with an introduction. Hope you are fine. These type of the lines or sentences you will write in this. And then you will start, after writing 2-3 lines about the introduction, from which purpose, for which purpose you are writing this letter. Now here you can see that your friend is absent since 1 week. So here you are informing whatever the things was happened in her or his absence. So that is why, first of all, you will ask the condition of your friend. She is not well or he is not well. So that is why this is your duty or your pleasure to ask that how is she or he. So after this dear Anjali, you can ask that hope you are fine. I am hoping for your speedy recovery, these type of the thing you can write over here, and after that you will mention the appropriate work, whatever the important things that happened during his or her absence you will mention, because this is a very important part of writing any type of letter. So first of all you will start with address and then date and then salutation, and after that body of the letter will start. How it is going to start, that I have already discussed, many letters we have done. So you start and coming to the point, whatever the information you would like to convey your friend, you can convey in your letter, and after that subscription part is your, at the end of the letter, concluding part, you just write it down in your own way, and after that subscription part you will write that lovingly yours or affectionately yours, affectionately you can write, and after that you will write your name. So this is the way to write an informal letter. So children, we will be continuing this topic in our next videos also. So in next video we will discuss about formal letter, because informal letter we have done and we have solved lots of examples which are already given in your grammar book. So from tomorrow onwards we will solve our formal letter. So children, till then, bye bye and take care.